How to pause location on Life360 app without anyone knowing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is on how you can pause location on Life360 app without anyone knowing. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So to pause location on Life360 app without anyone knowing, you will need to come out of Life360 app. What you'll then need to do is go to your settings app. So open up your settings, and on your settings you will need to focus on the mobile service, mobile or your cellular data option right here. So tap on that and you should see your mobile service. Then what you'll need to do is head over to mobile data options. Now inside here you will need to find low data mode. Enable low data mode, and doing that will reduce your mobile data uses, which will basically pause every background app that are running or that are using your mobile data. So what this does is this will pause the location on Life360 app, but it will not notify anyone. And that's how you pause location on Life360 app without anyone knowing. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.